Welcome to Bike Update, the home for the latest bikes and updates. Today, we're talking about the 2025 Honda CRF300, a bike that perfectly blends daily usability with off-road adventure spirit. Let's take a closer look at what makes this new CRF300 stand out. What's new for 2025? Honda has made some smart refinements for the 2025 CRF300. While the reliable 286 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine remains, engineers have fine-tuned the ECU for even crisper throttle control and better low-end torque. Suspension upgrades are also notable, offering improved damping for both front and rear, making it more comfortable over rough terrain. Honda has also slightly reduced weight by using lighter frame materials, enhancing both agility and fuel efficiency. Design and features. The 2025 CRF300 sticks to its rugged dual-sport DNA, but with a sharper and more aggressive aesthetic. Bold new graphics, a sleeker fuel tank design, and an upgraded LED headlight modernize its look. The slim seat and narrow bodywork help riders grip the bike better during off-road maneuvers. Honda has also updated the LCD instrument cluster, making it brighter and more informative, now showing gear position, fuel consumption, and maintenance reminders. Performance and ride experience. On the road, the CRF300 delivers about 27 horsepower and a smooth, linear power curve. Its lightweight frame combined with a 6-speed gearbox makes city commuting effortless and highway riding stable. Off-road, the longer travel suspension and 21-inch front wheel provide the confidence needed to tackle rocky paths, muddy trails, and steep climbs. Plus, with a ground clearance of around 10 inches, obstacles are rarely a problem. Variants and pricing. Honda offers two versions for 2025, the standard CRF300L and the adventure-ready CRF300 Rally. The Rally variant brings a larger fuel tank, windscreen, handguards, and extra comfort for long-distance travel. Pricing starts at around $6,000 for the standard model and approximately $6,800 for the Rally Edition. Both models are expected to arrive at dealerships by August 2025. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda CRF300 stays true to its winning formula: lightweight, reliable, and versatile. Whether you're riding to work, exploring the backcountry, or hitting a weekend trail ride, the CRF300 proves you don't need a big, heavy machine to have big fun. For riders seeking an affordable and dependable dual sport, the CRF300 remains one of the top choices out there.